Hey all, this is Software Focus, and today we're going back to basics with Snagit. You don't want to miss this. Today's episode will be focused on how to perform an automatic scrolling capture using the all-in-one capture function. Performing an automatic scrolling capture is very simple compared to the panoramic scrolling capture, but it is not as reliable and does not work in all situations. Once the site we wish to capture is up, we will launch Snagit, which will appear by default in the all-in-one capture state as indicated by the lighter colored tab on the left side of the capture window. We will click the red capture button and our mouse will turn into the orange-yellow crosshair. Also notice that near the bottom, in the corner, and on the side there are bouncing orange-yellow balls with white arrows in them. These help direct how the auto scroll will work. Clicking the arrow on the right will perform a horizontal capture. Clicking the arrow in the corner will capture everything to the side and down. The arrow on the bottom will perform a vertical capture. For this case, in the majority of cases, we will click the down arrow. Snagit will then automatically scroll the page, process the capture, then present the capture in the Snagit editor. The time to scroll and process will vary on the length of the page being scrolled. As mentioned in my video on panoramic scrolling capture, sites that have a lot of moving elements or other dynamic content will poorly affect the resulting capture. Automatic scrolling capture is only intended to work in web browsers and at this time is only known to work in the latest versions of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Internet Explorer. Firefox does not appear to work at this time. This may change, however, with future updates to both Snagit and the browser being used. Finally, keep in mind that captures made in Snagit are a pixel-for-pixel capture, so when you perform a capture of data that is longer than the available screen space, the resulting image will also be larger than the available screen space. Because of this, the view in the Snagit editor is zoomed out to present the entire capture, and if you share the image with others, they may need to zoom in to get a clear view of the image. The same capture process applies for both the one-click button and the hotkey. You just don't need to pull up the Snagit capture window. This has been Software Focus. If you like this video, hit that like button, or click subscribe to join the channel for future videos. If you have any feedback for future videos, please leave a comment down below. Keep focusing!